Up and away from Roloff Farms. Former Little People, Big World star Jeremy Roloff has obtained his student pilot license. In Touch can confirm, after it was revealed he would not be purchasing the family farm. On July 23, 2021, Jeremy, 31, received his student pilot license, in which carrying passengers remains prohibited, records from the Federal Airmen Administration show. The story was first reported by The Sun. Jeremy's wife, Audrey Roloff, with whom he shares 3 children, Embe, 4, Bode, 1, and 2-month-old Radley, seemingly confirmed the news on Sunday, December 2, via Instagram while telling fans about their new cabin in Bend, Oregon. "We are excited to let you in on our newest project. This dreamy little snow-covered cabin in the woods that you see behind us," Audrey, 30, wrote. "We've had our pulse on the Bend area for a while because we spend so much time here. Over the summer we saw this place pop up and Jerry immediately flew, since that's his newest hobby, out there with a friend to go see it. I was super pregnant with Radley, so I stayed home," Ouch added. Also not super comfy with the idea of flying with Jerry yet. Audrey also revealed that the couple, who married in September 2014, are still looking for land to raise their family after their plans to purchase Roloff Farms in Hillsboro, Oregon, fell through. Fans of Little People, Big World have often voiced their hopes to the couple, as well as to Jeremy's twin brother and sister-in-law, Zach Roloff and Tori Roloff, that they would carry on the family tradition and take over the farm. However, that doesn't appear to be in the cards as of now. On January 2, a follower asked Tori, 30, if taking over the farm was still on the table. "Nope. We're loving this little slice of heaven," the photographer responded via Instagram stories, alongside a photo of their Washington home, which the couple purchased in October 2021. What happened to Zach and Jeremy's desires of wanting to buy Roloff Farms? It disappeared, a second fan asked. "It definitely didn't," the former teacher replied. "Some things just don't go according to plan. But it all worked out for us." Both Zach, 31, and Jeremy previously voiced their interest in purchasing the family land, especially after their mother, Amy Roloff, was selling her portion of the land following her divorce from Matt Roloff. However, both of the twins have seemingly stepped back from the possibility. "You're looking for a farm, why don't you buy the family farm? Audrey opposed to it?" a follower asked Jeremy during an Instagram Stories Q&A on January 1, shared on Reddit. Jeremy responded that it was a question he received a lot. "No, she was never opposed to it. It was our single goal and biggest dream for 9 years. Was mine forever," he wrote. "I think other parties involved didn't know what they wanted and/or were scared. And humans do bizarre things when they don't know what they want and/or are scared. As we've all been witnessing this last year, right now, we're looking forward to a new adventure and what the Lord might have for us." In In September 2021, eagle-eyed followers saw an entry made by Audrey and Jeremy in their marriage journal, Memories of Us, which listed both the death of a dream and family drama as their biggest challenges. Many fans believe the dream was owning Roloff Farms. The future of Roloff Farms was a major storyline on the previous season of Little People, Big World. Zach and Tori have been talking about, buying the farm. I'm not sure if that's going to happen or not, Matt, 60, revealed during a confessional on the finale of season 22 of the reality TV show in August 2021. We're kind of waiting and see. We're not moving to the farm, Zach informed Tori later in the episode. Not in the near term. Tags: Audrey Roloff, Jeremy Roloff, Little People, Big World Roloff.